Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, southern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, northern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 4:45 a.m. At 3:44 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ogden Dunes to Creede to Channahon, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: Emergency Management. Multiple reports of wind damage across the Chicago metro. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Hobart, Kankakee, Crown Point, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Chesterton, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Mansfield,
on the TV.
Wheatfield, Lake Village, and Lake Station. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.